The first encryption that we're going to talk about breaking it is going to be WEP encryption, because it's the oldest one, it's the easiest one to break, but we still need to learn how to break it because you will see networks that still use WEP encryption. WEP encryption uses an algorithm called RC4. Each packet is encrypted at the access point and then it's sent to the air. Once the client receives it, since the client has the key, it will be able to decrypt the packet and read the information inside it. So very simple. The IP encrypts the packet, send it, client receive it, the client has the key, so the client decrypts it. Same way when the client sends the packet, it encrypt it, and then send it in the air. The access point receive it, the access point has the key, so it will decrypt the packet. So each packet that is sent into the air has a unique key stream. WEP ensures that the key stream is unique by using a 24-bit initialization vector. So the initialization vector is a random number. It's sent into each packet and it's sent into plain text. So this part, it's not encrypted. If you read the packet, you'll be able to read it in plain text. The problem with the IV, or the initialization vector, it's very short. 24 bits is not that long. So in a busy network, there'll be a very large number of packets sent into the air. This means the number of possibilities of random IVs will be exhausted, and we will have two packets that have the same initialization vector. So the initialization vector is a 24-bit random key. It's sent into the air in each packet, and it's sent into plain text as a plain text. In a busy network, we're going to have a very large number of packets. This means that the possibilities of unique IVs will be exhausted, and if we are sniffing all these packets, we will be able to collect two packets that have the same initialization vector. Once we have two packets that have the same initialization vector, AirCrackNG can be used. It will use statistical attacks to determine the key stream, and after that it will be able to determine the WEP key. Okay, so from the above we know the more IVs or initialization vectors that we collect, the more likely that we'll successfully crack the WEP key. So our main goal now, when we try to crack WEP, is to collect as much IVs as we can, because once we have a large number of IVs and we're gonna have two packets that use the same IV, then AirCrackNG is more likely to be able to determine the key stream and the WEP key for the target network. In the next video we'll do that. We'll see how that actually works, and it should be easier to understand.